Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be giving you a full review of Google Agentspace, Google Cloud's powerful new AI platform that brings enterprise search, automation, and AI agents together. If your company struggles to find information quickly or automate repetitive tasks, stick around because I'm breaking down how Agentspace works, what it offers, its strengths and limitations, pricing strategies, real-world use cases, and who should consider using it. At its core, Google Agentspace is a central AI-powered hub that connects to your company's data sources like Google Drive, Confluence, Jira, SharePoint, ServiceNow, and more, so you can search, summarize, and act on enterprise-wide information through a secure, permissions-aware interface. It isn't just about search, though. It's also about action. It offers pre-built expert agents, like the Deep Research Agent, which generates comprehensive reports, the Idea Generation Agent, and Notebook LM+, a research assistant built into the platform. These agents allow teams to quickly act on data with AI-powered insights. One of its standout features is the No-Code Agent Designer, which enables business users, not just developers, to build custom AI agents tailored to workflows without needing to write code. Agentspace also supports multi-agent workflows. Google has introduced an agent development kit and a communication protocol called agent-to-agent, so different agents can interact, collaborate, and orchestrate complex tasks across your data environment. In real-world use, companies like Gordon Food Service and KPMG are using Agentspace as an internal knowledge hub, letting employees search across systems and get grounded answers quickly. The Home Depot built a customer-facing agent called Magic Apron to help shoppers with DIY advice and product recommendations. In specialized fields, Seattle Children's Hospital deployed a pathway assistant to help clinicians retrieve and summarize patient information. Similar AI agents are being tested at financial institutions and law firms for document analysis and insights. The pros are pretty clear. First, it's a unified search and agent hub, giving you a single place for search, AI assistance, and automation across enterprise systems. It offers strong security and permissions, respecting your existing access controls and compliance rules. It provides both pre-built and custom agents, along with scalable multi-agent workflows through agent-to-agent and orchestration tools. But there are some downsides, too. It can be complex to set up and adopt, especially since it's designed for enterprise use. Many features, like Notebook LM Enterprise, are available only through early access or whitelists, and depending on the number of agents, integrations, and data ingestion, costs can add up, especially if you're starting from scratch. Pricing isn't widely public yet, but it's likely offered through subscription or enterprise contracts, and onboarding may require significant planning for data connectors and governance. Google Agentspace is best suited for medium to large organizations with large amounts of data spread across multiple systems, especially in finance, healthcare, legal, or retail, where employees spend too much time searching for information or performing repetitive tasks. If you want intelligent, customized AI workflows with enterprise-grade security, this could be a solid solution. A good way to start is by rolling it out to one department or for one use case, like internal knowledge search or a support agent, and then expanding from there. That way, teams can see the value and adoption before you scale across the organization. That's my review of Google Agentspace for beginners. I hope this video was helpful. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.